Welcome. If you're looking to export all photos from a chat on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to back up memories, save important images, or simply keep your files organized, Telegram's export feature makes it easy. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed. Once you're in, navigate to the chat that contains the photos you want to export. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group, or even a channel. With the chat open, look toward the top of the screen and click on the name of the contact, group, or channel. This will bring up the contact or group information panel, giving you access to more options and details about the chat. Next, find the three dots icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the info panel. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Export Chat History. This is the key feature that allows you to download your chat's content, including all the photos. A new window will pop up with various export options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of content: messages, videos, files, and of course, photos. Make sure to check the box next to Photos. You can also adjust the date range or file size limit if needed. But if you want everything, just leave the defaults. Once you've selected photos, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will begin preparing your export. Depending on the size of your chat and the number of photos, this might take a few moments. When the process is complete, Telegram will save the exported files to a folder on your computer. To view your exported photos, simply open the folder Telegram created. You'll find all the images neatly organized and ready to use. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can export all photos from any Telegram chat on your PC. This feature is perfect for keeping your memories safe or transferring images wherever you need them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your Telegram photos.